Hey, welcome back to another weekly ACE usage example. And today I want to show you how we can quickly harden the security of an S3 bucket with ACE. So here I have a bucket that I ironically named Lose Bucket because this bucket has no security whatsoever. It is completely accessible to anyone from anywhere. And this is a huge security compliance nightmare that we must change. Here in properties, as you can see, this bucket has versioning off. And this is really bad because if per se we accidentally delete something, we have no backup to roll back to, and also we have no tags placed here, and this makes really hard to track down who this bucket belongs to. For example, here in the permissions tab too, you can see that this bucket also has block public access off, and this bucket has no policies in place, so anyone in this account can just tinker with this bucket, add objects, delete objects, and really do whatever they want. So this is a huge risk. Like I said, a big security nightmare. So let's quickly hop into the chat and let's change this. And now I'll just pass to Ace all the changes I want to make. And I'll just put everything in a single prompt. Ace can handle some pretty big message, so we don't need to worry here. And that's pretty much all we have to do. So now let's just lay back and let Ace do the work. Ace is finished, and we can check here all the steps that Ace followed. And like always, we get a little resume at the end describing everything that was accomplished. So Ace enabled bucket versioning, and it also added policies to the bucket, very important, only allowing EC2 entities and my user to interact with the bucket. Ace also double checked all the settings to make sure everything is working accordingly. And we can also confirm that ourselves by going back to the console. Let's reload the page, and now let's check on the properties tab again, and you can see that now versioning is enabled, and we have an owner tab that is populated with my name. Great. And also here in the permissions tab too, now we have inline policies in place that is controlling access to this bucket, just like I asked. So losies no longer lose, and now this bucket is ready to be used in an actual development scenario.